Hey everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how can you copy your YouTube video link and share easily. So I will show in two methods. It's very easy. So let's get started. So first of all, I will open any video. So suppose I will open this video, and you can see here this address. Just copy it. You can select all and copy from here, and it's copy, and you can put in any file, you can share or anything you can do. Another trick is just go here, this is video, and just go here, share, and click on copy, and it's quite similar, it's same, and copy this. You can share link copy to clipboard, so it's copied, and you can copy this method and use it and share anywhere. So, and I will show you which I have copied here, and you can show here. First of all, there are two, this is short and this is long, so for your choice you can copy any. And if I open this new tab, you can see here it's open the same video which I have opening, and I will try this upper one. Then also you can see here, I'll open this also one, and it's also same, just it is sorted by this web address. So in this way you can copy your YouTube video link and share. So for today this much. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thank you.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.